Welcome to Dasun's guide.
This video I'm going to learn about how to factory reset your computer. If you hope to watch more tech tricks videos, please subscribe us. Thank you. Step number 1. Go to the Start, then click to right button of the mouse and choose the settings. Step number 2. Click on the Update and Security. Step number 3. Go to the Recovery. Step number 4. Reset this PC, then click to the Get Start option. Step number 5. You have two options. You need removes all settings and app without personal files, then click to one option, or removes everything's to click second option. Step number 6. Here also you have two options for reinstall. First one is download and reinstalling. Second one is install Windows from this computer. Step number 7. You can change some additional settings in this window, and click the next button and reset your computer. Thank you.